Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Trade Event History tool. The Trade Controller logs every event associated with each trade, the most basic being trade entry and trade complete. All other events, such as those related to trade management, are also logged and provide a full record of the trade history. All events are displayed in the live event grid within the Trade Console and are updated in real time as and when they occur. The information is displayed sequentially for all current trades, with the most recent at the top. At any time, the user can select a trade entry from the live event grid or the Trade Console grid to access the Event History option. When the Event History option is selected, a separate window is displayed detailing all events relating to the selected trade. First, let's select a completed trade from the Trade Console by clicking on the trade entry in the grid and selecting the Event History option. The Event History window displays an upper and lower grid. The upper grid is identical to the grids in the Trade Console and the Trade History viewer, the details of which are covered in separate tutorials. For this DAX trade, the upper grid displays a single entry, which indicates that the trade was not part closed before it completed. The trade is colour-coded light salmon, indicating that it was a sell trade. The next three columns to the right, which display the profit in terms of the deposit currency, R value and points, are colour-coded red, indicating that the trade was a loser. The lower grid displays all events relating to the trade, with the most recent at the top. In this case, there are two events representing trade entry and trade complete. Therefore, the event count is 2. Now let's select a trade from the live event grid. The upper grid displays a single entry for this Aussie dollar trade, which is still live as denoted in brackets. This time the trade is colour-coded blue, indicating that it is a buy trade. The next three columns to the right are colour-coded green, indicating that the trade is in profit. So far there are two events for this trade, as displayed in the lower grid. The first is the trade entry, and the second relates to a trade management lock-in profit event, which is colour-coded yellow. The description field provides details of the event, which in this case was the lock-in profit stop loss being moved. Let's select another completed trade from the Trade Console. The upper grid displays a single entry for this FTSE trade, which is colour-coded light salmon since it was a sell trade. The next three columns to the right are colour-coded green since the trade was a winner. The lower grid displays three events: trade entry, trade complete and a trade management sell close event, displayed in yellow, indicating that the trade was manually closed by the user before it reached the original take profit target. Let's select one more completed trade from the Trade Console. This time the upper grid displays three entries for this euro-dollar trade, all of which are colour-coded light salmon since it was a sell trade. The next three columns to the right are colour-coded green since the trade was a winner. The three entries represent the original parent trade and two child trades that resulted from the trade management take profit mode. The lower grid displays all events relating to the original parent trade at the bottom of the grid, and the resulting two child trades that followed are shown above. The trade management take profit events are displayed in yellow and show that the original parent trade had two take profit levels assigned. When the first take profit level was reached, the parent trade was closed and the first child trade was opened. When the second take profit level was reached, the first child trade was closed, a second child trade was opened and the stop was moved. The second child trade completed when it reached the final target. Notice that the event count is 12 and the trade count is 3, as shown in brackets. So in summary, the Trade Event History tool enables the user to monitor and track every event associated with each trade. It logs any trade management modes in use and links all child trades with the parent, making the review and analysis process easy and efficient. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.